Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Trust Wallet. So to get started with the guide and straightforward steps on how to transfer USDT from MEXC to Trust Wallet. So the first thing to do is open the Trust Wallet and copy your wallet address, which is your USDT address. So launch the app and tap on and navigate to the USDT token. Then from there tap on receive, then choose the appropriate network, for example TRC, BIP20 or TRC20, so that match the one you intend to use on the MEXC account. Then after that, copy the display wallet address. So once you copy that, then log into your MEXC account. So access your MEXC account via the mobile or website, then ensure you have the sufficient USDT balance for the transfer. Then on step 3, you have to navigate to the wallet section, then select withdraw, choose the USDT as the cryptocurrency to withdraw, then paste the Trust Wallet address you copied earlier, and also select the same network you choose in Trust Wallet, which is TRC20 or any other network. Just make sure they are both matched. Then enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer. After that, review the withdrawal fee and ensure you have enough balance to recover it. Then click on submit to proceed. Then after that, MEXC will prompt you for verification, security verification, which may include email verification code, SMS code, or Google Authenticator code. So enter the required code to confirm the withdrawal. Then after that, after the confirmation, the withdrawal will be processed. The processing time depends on the chosen network. So for TRC20, which is typically faster and lower with lower fee, for ERC20 may take longer and incur high fee. So you can also monitor your transaction status in the transaction history and section on MEXC. And that's it. Find a video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks.